Hey there, fellow travelers, welcome back everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that can save your entire trip. That's right, we're talking travel insurance. Stick around as we break it all down with some fun facts and money-saving tips. Let's kick things off with a classic. Picture this. You're on a dreamy vacation, but suddenly you realize your luggage is headed to Timbuktu while you're in Tokyo. Cue the panic. But guess what? Travel insurance to the rescue? Or is it? Turns out not all insurance plans cover lost luggage. Travel insurance can be a safety net for all sorts of travel troubles, medical emergencies, trip cancellations, and yes, even lost luggage. It's like packing peace of mind along with your passport. Now here's a good one. Picture this. Imagine someone buying travel insurance for a beach holiday, thinking it covers surfing accidents, only to find out it was for trip cancellation. Oops, that's a common mistake many travelers make. Let's clear up the confusion and make sure you know exactly what you're getting. There are several types of travel insurance, each designed to cover different aspects of your journey. First, we have medical insurance. This is crucial as it covers those unexpected hospital visits abroad. Imagine falling ill or getting injured in a foreign country. Medical insurance ensures you get the care you need without the hefty bills. It can be a real lifesaver in emergencies. Next, there's trip cancellation insurance. This reimburses you if you have to cancel your trip due to unforeseen circumstances like illness, a family emergency, or even a sudden work commitment. It's a lifesaver for those unpredictable moments. Think of it as a safety net for your travel plans. Then we have baggage insurance. This protects you against lost or delayed luggage. Imagine arriving at your destination only to find your bags didn't make it. Baggage insurance ensures you're compensated for the inconvenience. It can save you from a lot of stress and hassle. Lastly, there's comprehensive insurance. This is a bit of everything for the ultimate safety net. It combines medical, trip cancellation, and baggage insurance, giving you peace of mind no matter what happens. It's the all-in-one package for the cautious traveler. Each type has its perks, depending on your trip and what you plan to do. Whether you're planning a relaxing beach holiday, an adventurous surfing trip, or a family vacation, choosing the right travel insurance can make all the difference. So take the time to understand your options and pick the one that best suits your needs. Safe travels! Remember, the right insurance can turn a potential disaster into just a minor hiccup. Here's one we can all relate to. Ever had a conversation with an over-enthusiastic insurance salesperson who tries to sell you insurance for literally everything? Even for your morning coffee spill. When it comes to finding travel insurance, you've got options. Online comparison sites. Websites like Insure My Trip or SquareMouth make it easy to compare different plans. Travel agents. They can bundle insurance with your trip package. Credit card benefits. Some credit cards offer built-in travel insurance perks. Check your card's terms, you might already be covered. Deciding on travel insurance can be a bit like choosing between two flavors of ice cream. Both have their merits, and making the right choice can be tricky. Just like with ice cream, where you might be torn between classic vanilla and adventurous rocky road, travel insurance presents its own set of dilemmas. You might find yourself wondering if you should go for the basic plan, or opt for the comprehensive one that covers every possible scenario. The decision can be overwhelming, but understanding the nuances can help. One traveler spent more time debating insurance than planning the trip itself. Classic. This scenario is more common than you might think. People often get caught up in the details, weighing every possible outcome and scenario. It's easy to get lost in the fine print and the myriad of options available. The key is to focus on what matters most to you and your specific travel needs. Travel insurance can cost between 4 to 10% of your trip cost, which might seem like a lot at first glance. However, when you consider the potential benefits, it starts to make more sense. This small percentage can provide a safety net that could be invaluable in times of need. Think of it as a small price to pay for peace of mind and security, but it can save you thousands in emergencies. Imagine being stranded in a foreign country without any support. The costs can quickly add up, from medical expenses to last-minute flight changes. Without insurance, these unexpected expenses can turn a dream vacation into a financial nightmare. The right insurance plan can turn a potential disaster into a manageable inconvenience. Let's weigh the pros and cons. This will help you make an informed decision. Understanding both sides of the coin is crucial before making a commitment. Knowing what you stand to gain or lose can guide you towards the best choice. Pros: financial protection from unexpected expenses. This means that if something goes wrong, you won't be left footing a massive bill. This financial safety net can be a lifesaver in unforeseen situations. It's like having a backup plan that ensures you're not caught off guard. Peace of mind during your trip. Knowing that you have a safety net can make your vacation much more enjoyable. You can relax and enjoy your time away without constantly worrying about what might go wrong. This mental ease can significantly enhance your travel experience. Assistance services that can help in emergencies. These services can range from medical assistance to helping you find a lost passport. Having someone to call in a crisis can be incredibly reassuring. It's like having a personal assistant ready to help you navigate any trouble. Cons, it's an extra expense. This is money that could be spent on other aspects of your trip, like dining or excursions. For budget-conscious travelers, this additional cost might seem unnecessary. However, it's important to weigh this against the potential costs of not having insurance. Some plans have coverage limitations. Not all policies are created equal, and some might not cover everything you need. It's important to read the fine print and understand what is and isn't covered. This ensures you're not caught off guard by exclusions. Not all trips may need it. For example, a short domestic trip might not require the same level of coverage as an extended international journey. Assess the nature of your trip before deciding on insurance. Consider the risks associated with your specific travel plans. Think about your trip details and your peace of mind. Consider factors like your destination, the length of your trip, and your personal health. These elements can greatly influence whether travel insurance is a wise investment for you. Tailoring your decision to your unique situation can make all the difference. Sometimes a small investment in insurance can save a big headache. It's all about balancing the potential risks with the cost of coverage. In the end, the decision is personal and should be based on your individual needs and circumstances. Weighing the pros and cons carefully will help you make the best choice for your travel plans. Remember, the right choice can turn a good trip into a great one. Let's wrap this up with a story about a traveler who thought they didn't need insurance for their budget trip to a tropical paradise. They were excited about the sun, the sand, and the local culture, and they figured that nothing could go wrong on such a perfect getaway. They packed their bags, booked their flights, and set off with high hopes and dreams of a flawless vacation. Fast forward to a scooter accident, and that medical bill? Ouch. What started as a fun ride around the island turned into a nightmare. The traveler ended up in a local hospital facing unexpected medical expenses that quickly added up. The carefree trip suddenly became a stressful ordeal, with the traveler worrying about how to pay for the treatment. Travel insurance claims for medical expenses can range from a few hundred to tens of thousands of dollars. Without insurance, these costs can be overwhelming, especially in a foreign country where medical care might be more expensive than at home. The paperwork and process can be daunting, but having insurance can make it much more manageable and less stressful. So, when and where should you definitely get travel insurance? The answer is simple. Whenever you're planning a trip, especially if it involves significant expenses or potential risks. Let's break it down further. Whether it's a short weekend getaway or a month-long international adventure, having travel insurance is a smart move. Expensive trips. When you've invested a lot in your dream vacation, imagine booking a luxury resort, first-class flights, and exclusive tours. The last thing you want is to lose all that money due to unforeseen circumstances like cancellations or delays. Travel insurance can help you recover those costs and keep your dream vacation on track. Adventure destinations. For activities with higher risks like skiing or scuba diving, these activities are thrilling but come with their own set of dangers. Travel insurance can cover accidents and emergencies that might occur during these high adrenaline adventures. It's not just about the fun, it's about staying safe and protected. International travel, especially to countries with high medical costs or where your health insurance doesn't cover you. Medical emergencies abroad can be incredibly costly, and having travel insurance ensures you're not left with a hefty bill. It's crucial to have that safety net when you're far from home. Remember, it's all about being prepared and ensuring your travels are as smooth and safe as possible. Travel insurance provides peace of mind, knowing that you're covered for unexpected events. So, before you embark on your next adventure, take a moment to consider the benefits of travel insurance. It's a small investment that can save you from big headaches down the road. Safe travels and enjoy every moment of your journey. Alright folks, that's the lowdown on travel insurance. It might not be the most exciting part of your trip planning, but it's definitely one of the most important. Whether you're hitting the road solo, with friends or with family, being prepared can turn a potential disaster into just another travel story. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let us know in the comments if you've ever had a travel insurance experience. Good or bad, we'd love to hear your stories. Until next time, safe travels and happy adventures.